aboard the magic train, rolling down the track again. Nico Puppy takes the lead. Learning shapes is what we need. Look ahead and look around. Hear the happy train track sound. First car is a giant square, bright green color sitting there. Square wheels roll and spin so fast. Wave hello as we go past. Choo-choo train is on the way. We are learning shapes today. Clap your hands and sing along. Join the Nico Puppy song. Next car is a perfect round. Reddest circle to be found. Big red circle rolls in place, putting smiles on every face. Spinning, turning, round and round. Best shaped circle on the ground. Choo-choo train is on the way. We are learning shapes today. Clap your hands and sing along. Join the Nico Puppy song. Third car has a pointy crown, orange triangle in town. 3 straight sides and corners 3, smiling bright for you and me. Blue square car is at the back, chugging down the rainbow track. Square and circle, triangle too. Shape train brought them all to you. Wave goodbye and hear it blow. Time for Nico Puppy to go.
Hello, everyone! Wow, look at this! Be sure to hit that big red subscribe button down below. It helps us a lot. Thank you!